You are able to set the view of rooms within your virtual tour. This means you can choose which angle of the room to show your viewers as they walk in. Click the 360 View button. As you can see, the Set View button has not appeared in the bottom toolbar yet. This is because you set the view per hotspot. This means you are choosing the view for when somebody walks into a room by clicking on a hotspot. Now click on a hotspot and you can see that the Set View button has appeared. To set the view, swivel your image around to your desired first position and then click Set View. Now, when we leave this room and go back into it from the same hotspot, we can see the view that we previously set. When you are ready to publish your tour, go into the room you wish your tour to start from, orientate to your desired starting position, and then click Publish. Now you can see in the preview window that your tour will start from this position.